Hello from Hengehold Trucks. May I present to you this 2019 Chevrolet LCF 4500 with 19,171 miles. What an absolutely stunning ride! Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a 2,500-pound TommyGate tuckaway liftgate with an 80-inch wide by 50-inch deep steel platform, a 16-foot Supreme aluminum body, cargo control slats, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.